I lost the moment.
The damn boat story. We've heard the damn boat story a million times. Tell it one more time.
I'm in the front of this little aluminum boat. We got a 5 horsepower motor.
Whose boat is it?
My grandpa's.
Which grandpa?
Grandpa George.
Hey, quit asking George.
I'm just trying to add the
Grandpa
story
George's
a
boat.
little.
It's Grandpa George's motor.
Yes.
So I'm in the front of this thing. Any more questions? I'm in the front of this thing.
Not yet. Unless you missed something.
I'm in the front of this thing.
I feel
And
like
we're
I was
going, I
there.
said,
driving?
turn right.
Who's driving in
Oh,
the back?
the driver is. Okay, back
I
to
was
the plan.
the eldest. I had to drive.
That's right. Guy drove. Yeah, he had his license. He was like 12. And with this 5 horsepower motor, we're going to the right. We're going. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. All of a sudden, here. What the hell sound is that? And the boat stops. I look back.
And there's someone
He's over the back
And
of the boat. He's over. This guy's in the back of the boat going,
Me.
oh, where's the boat? Where's the motor?
I can tell the story. I've heard it.
So can I.
The motor.
So can I.
So we discussed how we're going to survive.
Oh no! Wait, how many times did you dive down?
Oh, you did? You jumped up?
Oh, hell yeah, we went after it.
Then we went back and got Don Scott to dive.
No, but the best part was, how do we mark this? Well, there's a tree over here.
You're in the middle of the lake.
It's everything except let's mark the black X on the boat. Maybe we'll know.
Why didn't you pull out your iPhone and just mark it?
What?
Why didn't you pull out your iPhone and just mark the spot?
iPhone. There wasn't even telephone.
Hell, I wouldn't do that now. I wouldn't do that.
You just GPS the spot, man.
So what happened when you went ashore without the... You had to
We
row
said-
in, right?
No.
All right, we're 2
I got-
hours.
Shut up and don't answer. I got in the water, had him throw the rope in, put it in my teeth, and I swam
Don kept going
Can we finish this for the video, please?
in. We're done.
Oh, when you went in, what happened?
Well, we got our ass kicked.
And how long did you guys work for free for Grandpa George to pay off the boat?
Well,
The motor.
No, we had to go out. My dad was a little upset.
And Dad never got upset with us.
Well, you a lot, and me never. But anyway, we went out and going around to find a motor to replace it. And he finds this motor, and we finally find somebody has,
Motor.
7.5 horsepower. He goes in, it's $80 or whatever
It
it
was
was.
like $1 million back
Oh,
then.
$1 million.
Yeah.
To us, no, it was like $3.5 million.
We're talking 1950 or so, guys.
And I'm going. No, let's get a 5 horse one. We don't need to get a 7.5. Why are we giving him a 7.5? We only lost a 5.
That was your punishment.
That's the only. That was the only.
Who was it, Ray Owens, or was it Grandpa George's? Grandpa George.
So he gave it. We bought the 7.5.
And how long did it take you to pay it off?
Oh,
I
God.
don't remember how we did that.
I still owe
I
about
thought you
25.
worked.
I still owe 25.
$25.
I still owe $25.
Pat's going, I love him.